Hello everyone. Today we have a debate competition and I am Rahul, a moderator of debate. The subject of debate or the proposition of debate is, should women do jobs? We have two teams, team A and team B. I also welcome respected judges and respected sir. So now I hand over to team A.
Thank you, sir. Good morning, everyone. My name is Nikita, and first of all, good morning, respected moderator, respected judges, and all dear opponents and dear students. I am sorry. I stand here firmly for the in favor of the should women do job. In my point of view, yes, women do job different. Why? Because when women do job, they get independent or reducing their dependence on others and boost their confidence. Thank you.
Now I am going to hand over to team B.
Good morning, everyone. Good morning, respected judges and teacher. So, I am in favor. Today, we are gathered here for debate competition. So, the topic is should women do work? So, I am in favor of opposite team. So, in my opinion, yes, women should do. But I think family is also important. Family responsibilities are come come forward more than jobs. I think. Women should jobs, and I think family is more important. You should take time for your family, and then you can continue your jobs.
Good morning, everyone. I would like to express my point on the topic should women do a job or not? So, I think yes, she do a job because she can help in family and society. She can help in financially also, and she gave support to our family, society, and build and because if she do any work, then he get more opportunities, independence, and she become a confident. So this is my opinion.
So, first of all, good morning, respected judges. Good morning, all of you. So, in my opinion, family needs time, and if she have children, they need present and they need presence of their mother, and woman and mother is the first teacher of their life. So if women don't give their time properly to their children, they may go mentally ill. And first of all, children needs strong values for growing up. So that is my point. Thank you.
Your point is valid, but when uh, when both the parents are phases in a parenthood, so they they have also responsible to earn more for their children. So that's why when both the partners are earn, they improve their standard maintain, then improving their education and health issue also. Thank you.
Hello friends, my name is Krishna and I am proposing my view on the subject, which is women should not do jobs. Like I have a question for my fellow opponents, like what if the job, the earning value of job isn't sufficient? Like a man is earning 50,000 per month, and the woman is also earning 50,000 per month. This is a nice thing for both of them. But what if the woman is not earning enough and she is earning 20,000, and also the man is not earning well, he is also earning 20,000? What will be the value of children's of in their life? Like they wouldn't have enough money for their children's, for making them go to school where daycare center. So when this does not happen, then the children will be more disrespectful, or they wouldn't be disciplined like that. So I think women should, in this situation, women should not do jobs for caring their childrens, like because of the money. Thank you.
So, woman is earn
I partially agree with the Krishna, because when one of partner, both of partners, or one of partner is get ill or sickness, then out of remaining out of one of them, one partners get a job, do job, and that is not enough for their care of the children. So I think both the partner earn together and care their children nicely. Thank you.
So, good morning, everyone. Now, in our daily lives, many women are doing job in IT companies. So they do not get many holidays, and they spend his time in companies, and 12 hours company time and 24 hours company time. So they do not spend his time with his her family. So now women are doing jobs, so she does not get time to her family. So doing job for women is not good.
I want to give an example of Mary Kom. Uh, she balance her child responsibility, sports, and career. He balance all these things, and now he become a world champion. She become a world champion. So uh, she is a inspiration for all girls in the world.
Actually, your point of view is correct. It's all about Mary Kom. Now we are talking about women's. I think in our society, money is not all thing. I think if there is important in a woman's life, is there's also family. If you in our society, money is a big problem. Every women's are doing job for money. Okay, it's a valid point. I appreciate it, but why you don't settle your career before your marriage or having children's? Plan your whole career and whole your what can I say, your financial plans before having children's. Why you are planning this thing after having children's? You have also a point. Children is an important point in your life. So children needs love, patience, and mothers are the only one who can raise them perfectly. So I think in my point of view, you have to build your career before you're having children and your marriage. It's no, it's not important to have quit your job after marriage, but I think before having children, you have to settle your whole career, your whole financial conditions, then you can go for it.
I think that there are many incidents are happened in the in our life. So I think that before marriage we can build our career is important for girls because they are independent. Then their family members are support them and encourage them and give respect them. So job is important before marriage and before 25 years of age.
Let's think us logically. So I will tell you one thing. After marriage, responsibility come. ठीक है? First of all, when women do marriage, after marriage, she came responsibility for her in-laws and her children's. So that's why she is doing marriage. After marriage, why she is doing job? First of all, I will tell you one thing. Man protects external world for her. Woman protects internal things for man. That's it. That is my point.
Many women having in-laws because they live in a joint family, so take care of their children. Their in-laws or I can say grandparents are there for their caring. So women can easily do job for their confidence, for their childrens and for their family also. If the work do job, then they boost their confidence and they make a decision in any situation in a family or in a society. Thank you.
In our society, mindset is not that. First of all, I will tell you one thing. I have a sister. She do job also, and she also after she doing job, she came home and afterward she cook also. And she telling me that I become very tired. So I tell her that why you are doing job, leave that now. So she tell me because of my laws, in-laws said that you should do job. That she said me that because of money. That's why. And I think that if she doing job, she feeling so much depressed and she can't work well and she can't do well and her health is not well. So I think doing job is such a big task, in my opinion.
Thank you, friends. Everyone talk about this subject very well. Should women do jobs? So now time is very high to announce who is the winner of this debate. Now I would like to request respected judges choose the one team as a winner. Yes, congratulations, friends. Today's winner is Team A. And this debate competition's prize goes to Team A. Thanks, all debaters present here. Thank you, judges. Thank you, sir. And now we are going to conclude this program with a big round of applause for all.